Hello everyone. Good day. So today we're going to learn how to program the VFD or Variable Frequency Drive using the Danfoss BLT Automation Drive 300 series. So this one is the supply line and this one is the VLT Automation Drive. This is the potentiometer and these two are the push button. The green one is the start button and the red one is the stop button. And also this is the three-phase motor. And this is the motor nameplate. And also this is the LCP simulator. So let's start. So first, we're going to click the off button, then the main menu. So we're going to select the 14, start special functions. Click OK, then go to 14-2, trip reset. Click OK. Then click and go to 14-22. Going to click OK. Then we're going to change it to initialization. Okay. Then go back. Quick menus. And we go to select the quick setup. Okay. So here we're going. So here, this is the language. You can change it if you want. Today we're going to select the English. Okay. So 1-20 motor power. So here going to power is the 7.5 horsepower. So we're going to select in the base on the table. And here's a 7.5. So our watt is 5.5. 5.5. Click OK. Then change to 5.5. Next, 1-22 motor voltage. Up here, the 460. Going to change it to 460. Okay. Next, 1-23 motor frequency hertz. So I have here the 60 hertz. Going to change it to 60. Okay. Next, 1-24 motor current amps. So here we have the 8.6. Then we're going to multiply here at 1.15. So 8.6 times 1.15 equals to 9.89. So 9.89. 9.89 amps. 9.89 amps. Motor nominal speed 1-25 is the RPM. So you have here the 3525. We're going to change it to 3525. Aish. Okay. Next. 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 So we have here the 3-41, the ramp up time. So ramp up and ramp down is the same. We have here we're going to change it to 15 seconds. Also the ramp down 15 seconds. Next, reference sites. Okay na na. Oh, that's it. So, going to main menu, back, back, going to digital input output. Click OK, and then go to 5-1 digital input. Okay, then for this we're going to change to latch start. Click OK. This one we're going to change it to no operation. And this one also we're going to change it to stop in burst. Okay. Then back, and we're going to analog input output. Click OK. 6-1 analog input. Okay. Then we're going to change the 6-15, the RPM. So remember we have here the 3525. 3525. Okay. So back. Next, we're going to reference RAM. Okay. Reference limits. Okay. And we're going to 3-03 maximum reference. So I'm going to change it to 3525 again. 3525. So that's it. We're done. So now we're going to click the status, click the auto on. So look, and that's how you program the BFT using the Donfos BLT drive and LCP automation. Bye bye. Ingat.